Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about opportunity. So this is my topic. This topic is a part of my spoken English practice. So what is opportunity? Opportunity it is chance to choose and change. So choose your dreams wisely and change it. Change your life. Remember that working on your dreams is most important. So every day you have a chance to work on your dreams. You have a opportunity. Every day is an opportunity to achieve your dreams. Remember, if you feel that you are not there where you wanted to be in your life, you when you feel that I am not there that I wanted to be, remember that you have an opportunity to work on your dreams and change your life and become the person that you want, become uh, uh, the person you want and achieve your dreams. Every sunrise is a second chance to rise. Every sunrise is a second chance to sunshine. And every day is an opportunity to work on your dreams. You have a chance to change. You have a chance to choose and change. So whatever your dreams, whatever you wanted to achieve in your life, whatever you feel that I wanted to be there, work on your dreams. You have an opportunity to work on your dreams. I have an opportunity to work on my spoken English. That's why I'm practicing and I am working on my spoken English every day to be there where I wanted to be. I wanted to be I wanted to be a public speaker. So first I am working on my spoken English so I can become better communicator. And when I become better communicator, I work on my public speaking. And I have an opportunity to work on myself. And that's why I'm here uh, to practice my spoken English to become better communicator and public speaker. So you have also this chance. You have also that the opportunity. You have an opportunity to choose your dreams, to work on your dreams, whatever your dream is. Everyone has a different dreams, different goals in their lives. So you, for example, if you wanted to be fit and healthy, work on your health every day. Do exercise, eat healthy food, and do yoga for mindfulness uh, and become healthy and fit. If you want to be if you want to uh, if you want to become an athlete, like you have to run every day. You have an opportunity to become an athlete, so you have to run every day. You have to eat right food for your health. You have to do lots of exercise, different kind of exercise. You have to do it. You have to practice uh, jumping, running, walking, and leg skipping. There are so many exercises that will help you to become an athlete. So you have an opportunity, whatever your dream is, work on your dreams. This is the best time, and this is the chance in to change your life, and this is the chance to achieve your dreams. This is the time that this is the time you need to work on your dreams. If you don't want to regret in your life, use this time. This is the best, and this is the greatest. This is the great, and you have an opportunity, and you have a great chance. You have a time. You have a great chance to change your life. And no one can stop you if you wanted to change yourself, if you wanted to achieve your dreams. Work on your dreams every day, step by step, little by little, and achieve your goals, achieve your dreams. And that's all I wanted to talk about an opportunity. Thank you for watching this video. And if you really want to achieve your all dreams, if you really want